Hi gorgeous! Today we are reviewing a sheer concealer. Make it make sense. I am shook. And we are back. Huda Beauty, come on down. So this is the GLOWISH Bright Light Hydrating Sheer Concealer. It's gonna cost you $27. The one I purchased is in the shade 02 Fair Light. This product comes in 15 different shades. It has light coverage. It is a liquid formula, fragrance-free, hydrating, and a radiant finish. It is a sheer to light coverage concealer packed with skin-loving and protecting ingredients that leaves your under eyes looking bright, glowing, and refreshed. This product is vegan and cruelty-free. It has buildable coverage, and its suggested usage is to blur and to brighten. And it does suggest that we press into the skin as opposed to rub or buff. Okay, so I'm really intrigued. A sheer concealer. What are we doing? What are we doing, y'all? Okay, so I obviously have no makeup on. I've done my skincare. This is a reminder to do yours. Let's just cut right to the chase. I don't know. So obviously it's not to conceal. This is mainly focused on brightening and giving us a natural glow. So let's see what it does. Let's try Huda's 3-dot trick. Okay, and I guess I'll go in with my finger and see what that does. Okay, so there is certainly a difference. I can see it did lighten the sleepiness, the discoloration of the under eye. It did lighten that up a few shades. That's rather significant. That was with the finger. I'm not really picking up on any, well, there we go. We have a little bit of light reflectiveness going on. Let's go to this side, and I'm just gonna go in like I normally would, which is obviously more than the suggested use. And let's go in with a concealer brush. This is the Pat McGrath concealer brush. And if you didn't know, this brush was made to feel like a fingertip, to apply like a fingertip. You see how it's pretty cool. Okay, so this is, it's definitely a product for the everyday no makeup makeupper. This may be absolutely for you because the coverage is pretty minimal, which isn't a bad thing. It's just something that I've noted. If that's what you're looking for, then you're going to love this. It does have a very nice sheen to it, a nice healthy looking glow. It is nothing compared to the GLOWISH skin tint. Let me prove it to you. Okay, so it took me forever to find this. And I will note, the more that I walk around with this on and walk past mirrors, it's growing on me. I do love the nice, subtle shine. It's very pretty. Anyway, this is the GLOWISH Skin Tint by Huda Beauty, and let me show you. See how shiny that is? Look at how light reflective. Like, that's borderline blinding. Some people, when it first came out, thought it was too much. I actually really love it. It's a beautiful summertime skin tint. This is not what the video was about, so we will keep it moving with the concealer. Okay, so this does claim to be buildable, and let's see just how true those claims are. I'm gonna go in with this side again, just how I normally would. I do like the color. That's a really pretty color. And let's do the concealer brush. The only thing with these brightening glowy concealers is it's hard to set them because obviously that powder is going to take away the shine, which is the whole reason why we bought the product. So I'm going to leave this just as is, and I'm not going to set it, and we're going to see how it holds up. That coverage laid pretty nice. That second layer, that laid pretty nice. So maybe you can see how it is light reflective. It is really, it's very nice, especially for the everyday girly that just wants a little natural glow. I'm gonna go for a very natural look today. Gonna bring in Merit on the face today, obviously. We know I love Merit. So I'm going to keep it subtle. Let me pop some on the cheekbones. So it is giving a very nice dewy look, and I love that. See, yeah, you can see the coverage for sure, and you can see the glow for sure. It's just not, I feel like people hate on it when it says like brightening shine or brightening. If it's not like blinding out of this world, then it's like, yeah, it's not that good, but it is. But it is, because people, you know, if you want to go for that everyday makeup look, we don't want blinding, okay? We want this nice, subtle, is she even wearing makeup? We want that look. And that's what this is giving me. Look at me. Now I will take pictures of it so we can see what it's like picture-wise in the natural light. You are watching me in natural, 110% natural light. It's a beautiful day today. So this is like, you're getting the true no filter. This is what it looks like. So gorgeous. If you're looking for the everyday look, you gotta pick your scenarios for the different things that I'm reviewing. For the everyday, no makeup girl, you may want to check this out. We're gonna see how it holds up. First impressions, gorge. I'm going to finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so we are looking pretty natural, nice everyday look. I am all the way finished, except what I want to do is see if we can get a natural looking highlight using this concealer on the lowercase t. Actually, yeah. We're going to see what we can highlight and see how that looks. So I'm going to go in with this ever so lightly. Okay, so that is a really nice, natural looking concealer. Yeah, she's really, really pretty. Okay, so I do want to let you know that I did not set anything. I have let this, so we can keep the shine, the light reflectiveness of this product. I wanted to keep it because that's what it's all about. And I will say it hasn't moved. Like, as you tap in, you can feel it getting more, I don't want to use the word like gooey because that makes it sound bad, but it's getting more tactful and like an adhesive as opposed to slippery, sliding, not staying put. And that may really be like the key factor here in not having to set your makeup or set your under eyes or wherever you put this concealer, so you can keep, look at that glow. Like, it's almost like a mirror. This is really, like, this is really pretty, especially for that soft, everyday, natural looking, I just woke up like this look. I'm really, really happy with this outcome. Like, look at my skin from far away and up close. She's a beauty. And yes, I will post pictures so you can see exactly how it looks in, you know, the camera's eye, in the natural light. And I think you should go get yours. Like, this is a really pretty product. This is one of those products where I'm super excited. Like, wow, we look good. Okay, gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching, as always. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.